In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Claude Code. By the end, you'll know how to set up your project, guide the AI with a strong prompt, preview the results, and iterate until it feels right. Start by opening your Claude Code app. Create a dedicated folder for your files. This will be the main location for everything your site needs. Keeping a single project folder helps Claude Code organize your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets so your site structure stays clean and easy to manage. Next, click on Code, then select New Session. Before you begin, make sure you're using a model that supports coding, such as Claude Sonnet. Choosing a coding-capable model ensures it can scaffold files, write logic, and fine-tune styles effectively. Now, click on my website and choose the folder you just created so Claude knows exactly where to place the files it generates. Before generating anything, take a moment to plan what you want your website to be. Think about the purpose, the pages or sections you'll need, and the overall look and feel. A tiny bit of planning here prevents rework later and makes your prompt stronger. Claude works best with a clear, specific prompt. For example, you might say you want a modern, responsive website built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a digital agency, including a homepage, an About section, a Services section, and a contact form with clean design, tasteful animations, and mobile responsiveness. The clearer your prompt, the better your website will turn out. Paste your prompt into the prompt area, then click Generate. While Claude Code builds the project, open the preview in the upper right to watch progress in real time. You'll see pages appear and styles update as files are created. Occasionally, Claude Code may ask for permission or offer recommendations. Press Enter to agree if it aligns with your goal, or S to deny if you want to keep things as is. When the first version is ready, review it and request changes directly in the prompt. Describe exactly what you want to edit: colors, spacing, layout tweaks, content wording, or interactivity, and Claude will update the files accordingly. Once you're happy, explore the finished site in the built-in preview or test it in your browser. Copy the provided link and paste it into your browser, or click the IP address to open it automatically in your default browser. That's it. Your website is up and running with Claude Code.